If your Arlo camera is not connecting to the internet, there are several potential reasons for this issue. An installation problem or incorrect network settings may be the cause. To resolve this, check the camera's installation and setup, and consider moving it closer to the router or using a range extender to boost the signal. Additionally, reducing physical barriers between the camera and router can help, as these can interfere with the signal. It is also essential to ensure that the camera's firmware and mobile app are up to date. To update the firmware, open the app, go to Settings, select My Devices, and choose the camera to be updated. Then, click on Device Info, select the firmware option, and tap Update to download the latest version. After updating, connect the camera to the internet and adjust the network settings. Set the router to broadcast a 2.4 GHz frequency on a single SSID, and turn off the 5 GHz option until the camera connects. Furthermore, ensure that the MAC address filters are off to prevent the router from allocating unusual IP addresses. On the security encryption page, select WPA or WPA2, as some cameras do not support WPA3 encryption. By following these steps, the camera should be able to connect to the internet.